Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today, I'm going to show you a glitch on the game. I just need to get arrested to the glitch. I think it's kind of a glitch, because I changed to a policeman, but it's giving me policeman stuff, but I'm not a policeman with key card and stuff. I don't know why, but it's just giving it to me. So, if I just get myself arrested, by just pickpocketing this guy and then getting arrested and then just stand behind him. Some of those are just easy to pick. So now, arrest me, thank you. Then if you do quickly go to change teams, yes, police, then it glitches you. I think I'm a policeman, but sometimes it works. If you do that really fast, and you're the policeman, you're actually a criminal. But yeah, basically that's one of the glitches. But do you know, say I didn't get 20 seconds then? So if you change while you're there, you don't get 20 seconds in the jail. So that's one glitch. And I think there's another one, but I'm gonna have to use the key card for this. I want to see if I have a key card, if this works. Because it does. It doesn't. Did you just pocket me? Taser? Why didn't I taser him? You were the one to pickpocket me, wasn't it? Wasn't it not? Yes, it was you. Idiot. Okay. I've forgotten. Okay, so now, I've got the SWAT team and stuff. But I think I don't know why my phone's not working. That happens sometimes. Oh yeah. And then we can just get that gun on the best gun. That's the best gun in the game. This gun up here. And the shield. And the shield doesn't make that. We're gonna go and get the SWAT team stuff again. We can't put all of it in our prison cells, obviously, so. What you do is you need to make some noise. Following you. If they do, just let them pickpocket you. Or you get your gun out and shoot them back. There you go. I died. Okay, now then, go there. There we are. Put it together. Hopefully, that didn't exactly work. I'll get my SWAT team stuff. Let me just get them. I need my SWAT team shield really, because the shield actually works really well. I think it completely blocks. The guy with a gun, the fox guy with a gun. Is it him? Yes, it is him. Kill him. Thank you. Killing me. Oh no, another. 3. Taser. Thank you, turn. Ha! Well done, mate. What's that on? I don't know. Hey ho! Oh, I might not be on the game. I think I turned it off last night for a reason. I think it was to do with a friend. Okay, so. Everyone's kind of. So you let them start pickpocketing you. Out. Wait. Back up a little bit. And they'll start a thingy. And then you start arresting them. There's this guy, so. Cool. Okay. So then, if you do that, you can get your then continue back to prison and you wait 10 seconds. A little trick I suppose I've always had. So you want to put a pistol in there, and then you want to put the rifle. Oh. 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 Okay, I'm just going to throw it away. Okay. I'm just going to kill myself. It's allowing you to kill yourself as a policeman. Go to this right over here. And you need to watch if you drop a key. Go up and out like this. And you scroll in. Can I see a key card? Then there's a gun or a key card. A key card. Then I change. Go to key card. You change to prisoner. Confirm. Oh, glitchy. Oh, 20 seconds. That's no. I wasn't even arrested. I just didn't. Oh, I spent quite a lot of money on trying to get a good texture last night. I didn't get it. Got police again. I save up 50,000 to get a better engine, so it goes faster. Oh my god, it's going really fast then. Just because you can drive at walls with the thing, and you can't with. Might be still over here, might not be. Let's just change it to policeman. I'm really found but change into prisoner when you're in there. And if it's no one's fault, got a paycheck